In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix slow file copy speed on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Now we have to scroll down to the O section and we have to look for optimized drives. Right click and then select properties, startup type, make sure this is automatic and click on start, apply and then OK. Next method is you have to go to the Windows search bar and type features. Click on turn Windows features on or off, maximize this. Then you have to look for the option remote differential compression API support and check this. And then you have to click on OK. And that will search for the required files. Just make sure to uncheck this option or this feature. For the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. Now I have this command. In the description, this will be shared. Hit Enter. So this has been disabled, but if this didn't work for you or if it worked, you need to enable it again. So simply go back and then type again the command. But this time you have to change this to normal. So instead of disabled, type normal and hit Enter. And then type exit and hit enter. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.